2 badges. 1 question. Which gets you hired faster in India? GATE is a national exam. It opens doors to MTech, PhD tracks, and PSU roles. Think deep theory, research, and long-term career compounding. CCNA is a Cisco certification. It validates hands-on networking, IP, routing, switching, VLANs, security basics, aimed at real-world operations. In India's private sector, network support, NOC, and data center roles value proof you can configure gear today. That's where CCNA shines. Quick job-oriented signal. GATE often means a 2-year MTech before full-time roles, or a PSU slot if you score high. CCNA can place you into junior roles within months if you build labs and projects. GATE can unlock a higher long-term ceiling. Research, specialized R&D, elite academia. CCNA offers immediate runway into the industry with global portability. Goal is academia, PSUs, or research labs. Prioritize GATE. Goal is faster entry into network engineering, IT services, VoIP, or data centers. Prioritize CCNA. You can stack them. CCNA now for the job, GATE later for depth and growth. For getting hired quickly in India's private sector, CCNA usually wins on time to job. For research pathways and PSUs, GATE is essential. Pick by destination, not hype. Like, share, and drop your goal. Job now, or research path. I'll reply with a tailored roadmap.